Hey guys, Andy here with another food snack drink review. Today I'm going to try out some new Valentine kisses that came out. The first one is these hugs. It's white cream. The next one is it's called Milk Chocolate Milk Away. And the last one is chocolate dipped strawberry. I'm take one of each out so I can try them for you. Alright, this is the hugs. It is the white cream. It's their usual white chocolate with the chocolate swirl inside it. And when you bite it, it's I would say like another Hershey kiss inside it. It tastes pretty good. The next one, the wrapper, it's Hershey Kisses, and it's actually got little roses all the way around it. And it says melts away on the little tab. Let's open it up. This one's our typical chocolate kiss. And when you bite into it, it has a soft chocolate filling inside. It's really good. And the last one, it's the strawberry one. It's got little strawberries all the way around the packaging. Same thing, chocolate. But this is going to be more like a gusher inside it. This one does taste like a chocolate dipped strawberry. That's probably my favorite one. This one, I'll give it 3 out of 5 because it is kind of hard to eat. That center is hard when you bite into it. The melt away was really good. I'll give it a 5 out of 5. And the chocolate dipped strawberry, 5 out of 5 for flavor. Alright, thanks for joining me, and I'll be back with another food snack drink review.